Hello everybody, this is Bill Williams. Welcome to another Life on Trahan Creek series video. In today's video, I'm going to do a short do-it-yourself project to make a garden stool. Here it is, coming up next. For this project, you will only need a few basic hand tools. You'll need a tape measure, a hammer, a drill set, a circular saw, and a box of 2.5 inch by number 9 exterior deck screws. You actually won't need a full box, but anyway, you get the idea. I'm building this with primarily recycled old lumber. It's all treated material, and there's a few newer pieces of what we call shorts that have been cut up to make some supports. But it doesn't take very much. A couple of 8-foot long pieces, and as I say, maybe a couple of scraps will do the job. What you'll do is you will make, as you see here, 2 pieces. Each one is just a reverse of the other. The long lumber is 26 inches long. You will cut 2 pieces, that one there and this one here. Maybe I can get it back to where you can see it a little better. 2 of them 26 inches long. These are all 2x4s. You will cut 2 more pieces for the opposite supports that are 18 inches long, as you see there and here. And the little short pieces, these are 15 inches long, and you'll need 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. You will build one of them essentially left-handed, and you will build the other one right-handed, at which point in time you will then flip them over, as you see me doing here, and they will actually go together in this fashion. They will assemble like that, obviously not together, but separated by a given distance of your seat width when you build the seat slats. And that's next out of 1x4s, and you'll need 3 pieces, depending on how wide your seat is. Mine's very narrow. I only weigh about 285 pounds, so I don't need very much width. But you'll probably want to make them about 15 inches. Okay, I was just kidding about the seat width of 15 inches. You'd have to be pretty small to make that work. In my case, this first piece I've cut is 22 inches. You can cut yours different, a little bit bigger if you'd like, but 22 inches. You need to pre-mount your screws. This is the upper slat at the rear for the seat part. You need to pre-mount these screws, 3 like this, 3 like that at the other end, so that you can attach them pretty easily and quickly. And then that becomes your back piece. Let me show you where it's going to go. By the way, this taller front piece is the front. These are handles to help you get up off the seat when you're nearly 66 years old like I am. So that piece is going to mount going across this way. And when you're finished getting it put in position, when you are finished, this is what your back support seat slat will look like when the chair is in a position like this. Again, these are the front supports. And you'll have 2 more of the 1x4s to cut. These will be cut slightly less because one has to fit inside between here and here across there, so you'll need to get that measurement. The second can also be either one. You can make it flush or you can come on out if you'd like to have the extra seat width, make it even with the back slat. I'm going to go the same as the back slat. And last but not least, here is your final project. When it's all finished and done, this is what it looks like. As I say, the front two pieces are support handles to be able to get yourself up easy. It's a very stable seat, and you can paint it, or this is already treated lumber and it'll weather to a nice gray finish if you don't want to paint it, which I usually don't paint any treated wood. Just a nuisance to do that. There it is. Hope it works well for you. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to rate and subscribe.